On April 9th, the new flagship product of the Smart Pure Electric product line, the Smart No. 5 BRABUS Super Power Edition, made its global debut and once again set the industry standard for luxury pure electric travel. This highly capable midsize SUV is designed for trendy consumers who dare to make a difference and redefine the meaning of pure electric driving pleasure. The new Smart No. 5 BRABUS Super Power Edition seamlessly combines a powerful appearance with state-of-the-art electric drive technology. With a total maximum output of 475 kilowatts and equipped with a flexible dual-motor all-wheel drive system, it truly redefines top-level performance. Equipped with BRABUS Launch Mode, the Smart No. 5 BRABUS Super Power Edition achieves the fastest acceleration among box SUVs, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It is equipped with an 800V pure electric architecture that supports DC fast charging at up to 400 kilowatts. Charging a 100 kilowatts H battery from 10 to 80% takes just 18 minutes, state of charge, and provides a range of up to 540 kilometers, WLTP conditions. In the special BRABUS mode, the intelligent No. 5 BRABUS Super Edition can emit a unique simulated engine sound to further enhance the driving experience. In terms of appearance, it stands out with its unique 21-inch BRABUS monoblock Z rims, the same rims as the BRABUS 900, paired with red brake calipers that not only emphasize the elegant and dynamic appearance design concept but also perfectly present its high-performance characteristics. The special BRABUS emblem that completes its overall design emphasizes the iconic design genes and heritage of this German luxury performance car brand. In terms of the interior, it uses luxurious and comfortable seats in high-quality microfiber leather and, when combined with carefully selected Dynamica material upholstery, it not only provides top-level comfort but also creates an extremely elegant atmosphere. The front seats have a ventilation and heating function, while the rear seats have a heating function, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The all-contrast steering wheel with illuminated BRABUS lettering is comfortable to hold, the panoramic roof window providing clear visibility and the delicate and soft microfiber velour roof further enhance the premium atmosphere in the vehicle. In addition, the sporty pedals, the BRABUS-specific interior logos and the dual-zone interior lighting with 256 colors add more personalized and trendy colors. It is equipped with advanced technological configurations, including a 13-inch OLED ultra-clear 2.5K dual-screen infotainment system specially designed for the front passenger, and provides a more intuitive and comfortable driving experience with more comfortable operation. The classic sound system from Sennheiser creates a unique sound stage. It is equipped with 20 high-performance speakers and the industry's first removable center speaker. The system has a peak output of over 2,000 watts, and the in-car speaker design can adapt to a variety of input formats, from stereo and surround sound to full 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos setups, creating a flexible and immersive listening environment for travel. The collaboration between Smart and the world-renowned German luxury performance car brand BRABUS began in the early 2000s. With the launch of the Smart No. 5 BRABUS Super Power Edition, the collaboration between the two parties has reached a new dimension. Smart and BRABUS have been working together for over 20 years, creating a series of iconic models with distinctive features. It will be available in Germany for a price of €60,900 and can be ordered for German customers from April 24, 2025. It is expected to be available in other European markets in the second and third quarters of 2025. It will make its Asian debut at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, followed by a gradual introduction to other markets around the world.